All right. So we saw how to fetch data from an API. Now, it's also important that we understand how to execute a filter. Now, filters come in very handy when you want to search or when you want to apply a condition on your data. Now, for example, what we picked up from the database is right here. Now, that's the products that we got from the database. What if we want to search based on the name of the product or price of the product? Now let's pick up the price of the product and create a small example. For this, we would require a simple constant, which is a use state. So we're going to have a name and a set name, which is going to help us to do the search. And also we need a text box, which we are going to use for entering the text for search. Now we've just handled the event here on click. So we can also change it to on change so that it would be more dynamic. So when the text box content changes, we're going to set the value to the name. It's pretty straightforward code what we learned already. Now, based on the value, if you want to make the search, how do you execute it? We already understood how to work with map, which is pretty much about the iteration. Now what we're going to do is not just map, but we're going to apply a filter. Now filter will take a lambda again. So we're going to pass the product. We're going to search if the product has a name that includes the value, which is going to be the name that we have already created right here. Let's check that out. So we have the text box. Let's get the products, which is going to provide the products right here. And once the product is loaded, we could go ahead and execute the search. Now, those are the products. Let's search for E and R. You can notice that it gives me eraser and glitter, which contains ER. It's pretty closely to fuzzy, is it not? Let's try for a pen. So it should give me a pencil. So since it's case sensitive, so you can look at that. We'll search for KI, which is going to give me all the kites. Pretty easy, is it not?